How to make WordPress website with free domain and hosting. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so just go to Google and then type in infinity free. When it comes, just come and then select this one, official site, and then click on it. Okay, to bring you right here, just come down here where it says register now and then click on the register now. So you are going to go through a short sign up process. All that you have to do is just put in your email address, then come down and then put in your password, then come here and then confirm the password. Come and check the box to agree to their terms of service. Make sure that this one is checked as well, and then come and click on sign up. Okay, so after clicking on sign up, they will send you a message through your email address. Just come and then go and check for the message and then verify. So as you can see, it says verify your email. Just come and then click on it, and then it will bring you right here to the hosting account. So over here, just come here and then come and create account. So it says no account yet, right? All that you have to do is just come here and then click on create an account now. So it will bring you right here, and what you are going to do is that you are going to select their free plan. Okay, so for the free plan you pay $0 and then it is forever. So this is what you get. You get 5 GB this space, you get unlimited bandwidth, you also get unlimited hosted domains as well. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come down here and then come and click on create now. So the next thing is that they are going to take you to the option 2 whereby you are going to select a domain type. Okay, so you can select a subdomain, or you can simply come and then click on custom domain if you have a domain already. Okay, so we are going to use the subdomain to create it. Just select it and then come and type the domain name that you want right here, and then come and select the extension that you want. Okay, you can select any of these. It is totally free. So after selecting, and just come here and then click on check availability. So I'm going to put in this domain name and then come and click on check availability. It is going to say that the domain name that I selected is available, just like this one. And all that you have to do is just go to the step 3, whereby the account label will be given automatically, and then the account username to you will be also generated automatically. So you can change the password by simply coming in and click on this, and then you can always come here the email consent and then come and select it and say I approve. And then what you have to do is just come and then click on create account. It will take you to the step 4, and over here the step 4, as you can see, we have to wait for 72 hours to get our DNS created. So just come in and then click on finish. After that, just go to control panel by clicking on it, and just come here and then click on I approve. Okay, and then the control panel will be open just like this one. So under the statistics, this is what you get from the free plan. You get unlimited subdomain. You are also given this 5 GB disk space, and then this is how much I have used. And you can simply come here to the stop tracker clause and then come and click on it, and you can come and then install your WordPress by coming to click on the install button. Okay, so just come here where it says install, and then come and click on the down arrow, and then come and select quick install. So the next thing is that you have to select the latest version of the WordPress by simply coming here and then select it. Okay, so just select it. And then when you select it, what you have to do is that you have to come here. As you can see, your subdomain is here, but make sure that you don't put in any in directory. Okay, make sure it is totally empty. And then just come here, and then the admin account, just come and then put in the user admin that you want. I'm just putting in admin here. Then you put in the password. You can always click on the key to always change and then generate a new password for you. So this is the email that you'll be given, and then just come down here where it says install, and then come and click on the install. So WordPress will be installed for you, and then you can always check your email to see your account, and you can click on this to log into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, sometimes it takes about 72 hours for it to be active. So when it's finished installing, just come here, and then you can simply click on this icon to log in directly into your dashboard. So as you can see, the WordPress latest version is available. Just click on please update now, and then it will be updated for you. Okay, so just come down here where it says update to the latest version, come and click on it. And then sometimes you have to back up your files. Okay, but this one is new, so just click on it and then it will be updated for you. So as you can see, we have simply updated our WordPress to the latest version. So to visit our site, all that you have to do is just go to my blog and then click on visit site. And as you can see, our site is active. One of the most important thing is the SSL. So as you can see, not secured, and it is not secured, and then the site is not secured, right? Just like as you can see here. So we have to install our SSL. So let's go back to our dashboard and then let's go to Infinity Free by simply going to Google and then type in Infinity Free. Okay, so just go and then select the official site of Infinity Free, just like this one. So just come here and then click on login into your account and then you'll be logged in. So this is your account, and then when you look at the top here, you will see that we have free SSL certificates here. Just click on it, and then over here you can see that no SSL certificates found. Okay, yes, we have to create a new one by simply coming and then click on new SSL certificate. After that, just come and then put in your domain name. So after putting in the domain name, just come in and then click on create order. Okay, so just open your account and then go to the control panel so that you can get your domain name. Okay, and then come to the stop tagger clause, and over here as you can see we have installations and one is installed. Just click on the installation and just come here and then come and right click on this link and then copy it. Okay, so just simply right click on it and then come and then click on copy link address, and then over here just come and then paste it at the domain name and come and then remove the slash and then come and remove the slash http. Okay, just remove it and then leave it just like how the domain is, just like this one. So when you are done, all that you have to do is just come and then click on create order. Okay, so as you can see your SSL has been created, and then just wait for the next step. So what you have to do is that we have to set up our CNAME by just coming to click on set up CNAME records. Okay, so just click on it and then the CNAME record has been created, and then we have to wait for some time for it to be active. Okay, so when you come here, the current destination, you see that it is not ready. We have to wait for it to be ready so that we can continue. Okay, so when it is ready, all that you have to do is just come down here. The request certificate will be clickable and then you can click on it. Okay, so now let's go back to the SSL certificate, and then as you can see it is pending and we can always come and then manage it. Okay, so now let's go to the control panel and then check our CNAME if it is there. Okay, so just come and then search for the CNAME and then click on it, and over here under the CNAME record you can see that our CNAME is here, and then under the destination you can see that our destination is also being created. Okay, so our CNAME is active. So let's go back and then manage our SSL. So as you can see this is ready now, and then we can just come here and then click on request certificate. Okay, so just click on it, and all that you have to do is just wait for it to be done, and when it is done we can then continue. Okay, so it has finished, and all that you have to do is that we have to go to the step 4. So as you can see here the SSL is now issued. Okay, so the status says that it has been issued. So just come down here and then come and click on install SSL certificate automatically. Just click on it and then it will be installed. So the SSL certificate has been installed, and then it has to take about 15 minutes for it to be active. Okay, so as you can see no SSL certificate was found because we have to wait for about 15 minutes for it to be active. So after waiting for 15 minutes, just go into your email and then you see this email saying that it is available now, and then we can click on view it. Okay, so when you click on it, as you can come here, the status SSL certificate is active now. Okay, so now we can click on this to visit our website, and then as you can see our website is here. Now let's go and check our SSL certificate. So here is it. So when you click on view sites, and then as you can come here, it says connection is secured. When you click on it, it says connection is secured, and then the certificate is valid. So our SSL certificate has been installed successfully, right? So let's go back to our dashboard, and then now as you can see everything is working well, and then we can now install a theme by simply going to the appearance and then click on themes. Okay, and then all that you have to do is just go to add new theme and then click on it. And then over here under the popular themes, we can search for any of the popular themes. One of the popular theme is the Astra. That is what we are going to use. We can simply preview it by simply coming here and then click on the preview. And then this is the Astra that we can just look through and then install it. Okay, so all that you have to do is to just come to the top here and then come and click on the install. And as you can see, it is installing. Just wait for some time for it to finish installing, and just come and then click on the activate. Okay, so when you click on it, just stay tuned, and then this is what we are going to install. This is the theme, and then we can simply come here and then click on let's get started with starter template. Okay, so just come and click on it. We are going to select a simple template to just install. Okay, so as you can see, it is activating, and then we are going to choose any of these. We can select the AI to build our website for us, or we can simply select a classic starter template and then we can select any of them. I prefer the AI because it is fast, simple, and easy to use. Okay, so let's select try the new AI builder. So when you click on it, all that you have to do is to just create an account with zip WP, okay, by simply just coming here and then click on let's get started. It's free. Okay, so when you click on it, you are simply going to use your Gmail to create an account by clicking on it and just select your Gmail. Okay, so when you select it, just come and put in your phone number. They are going to send you a code. Just put it there and then verify it. Then just come here and then click on continue. Okay, so as you can see, it is installing by simply clicking on continue, and then it is installing. Over here, just come and then put in the name of your website here. Okay, so I'm putting in blogging tools plus, and then just come here and then just tell them what your website is for. Okay, you can simply go through any of these and then select it, agency, entrepreneur, any of this. I'm just going to select an entrepreneur for the purpose of this video. Okay, so after selecting it, simply come here and then you can change the language if you don't want English, and then just come down and then click on continue. Okay, so after clicking on continue, what you have to do is to just tell them something about your website. If you don't want to write it yourself, you can simply use the AI write it for you. Okay, so just come and click on write using AI, and then it will write a perfect one just like this one for you. Okay, so all that you have to do now is to just come down here where it says continue and then come and click on the continue. So after clicking on it, what you have to do is to set your contact information that people are going to use to contact you by simply putting your email, then you put in your phone number, and then you put in your address. Okay, you can also add your social media handles to it as well, but I'm just going to skip that one by simply coming here where it says skip step and then come and click on it. So over here, what you have to do is to select free stock images that you are going to use to build your website. So after selecting some of the images, let's come here and then click on continue. And then over here, what you have to do is to choose the structure, how your website is going to look like. Okay, I like this one. It is simple and then easy and beautiful. So this is what I'm going to select by simply come and then click on this one. Okay, and then as you can see here, this is how it is going to look like. All that I have to do is just come here, the left hand side where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. So after clicking on the continue, you have to select any of these features that it will be available on your website. Okay, so we have the donations, we have the sales funnel, we have the free live chat. Not only that, we also have the automation, and then we also have the video player as well. Okay, so just select any of them, but I'm going to skip for now by clicking on skip and then start building the website. And all that you have to do is to just stay tight for the AI to build your website for you. And wow, we have successfully created our website, and then now we can go and then see it. So by simply coming here and then click on see your website, and when you click on it, as you can see, we have successfully built our website. Simple, easy, everything is unique with our name because it was the AI that generated everything for us. So as you can see, our website name is here, and we can always go back to our dashboard, and then we can simply put in any post, we can post anything, we can do whatever thing that we want with our website. It is ours, and then it is free, and then free for lifetime. So we can also go here and then go to visit our site. So this is how to create a WordPress website with free domain and then free hosting for a lifetime. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Like it, and then see you in my next video.